Rainy day in Saudi Arabia. You might be surprised to learn that Saudi Arabia experiences rainfall throughout the year, with the highest rainfall occurring during the winter months. This is especially true in the mountainous regions, where the rain can be quite heavy. During a rainy day in Saudi Arabia, the scenery can be absolutely breathtaking. The lush greenery, the sound of raindrops on the leaves, and the peaceful to follow and subscribe for more interesting and informative content. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.